A day where rain has been moving through periodically for most of us. Danville, your turn has come up again. That's your Kentucky One Health weather bug camera located at Center College in Danville. And we're getting a good deal of rain on the lens now, so things getting a little more out of focus as the lens is wet. So there's your picture. There you see it. And again, it's raining in Boyle County. Let's show you the MaxTrack Doppler, and as we do so, there is a good batch of rain coming in. We've had one moving through over the last few hours, now north of I-64. Another one is now moving in from Middle Tennessee, coming up through southern Kentucky. And it's raining pretty hard now around Mount Vernon, back to around Liberty, west of 127, in and around Somerset, over toward London. Whitley County, you've got some good downpours, in around Lake Cumberland, Monticello over to Jamestown. And in fact, some rumbles of thunder going on as far north as Rockcastle County, mostly in Pulaski, over into Whitley County. So 20 lightning strikes so far. The movement today has been from south to north. So there's your initial wave coming up. Here's the one that we are now contending with coming out of Middle Tennessee, and it will continue working its way right up I-75. Rainfall amounts, well, around 1/3 of an inch either way, Frankfort and Lexington. We're talking about hundredths of an inch. Somerset, London, but those numbers will be changing quickly here with those big downpours coming in. So on the MaxTrack, with a little tribute to Eddie Rabbitt. We love a rainy night. Weekend, more like late November, which is ironic since in late November we had weather more like January. For the winter, the cycle may be about to swing back, and we'll talk about that. So there is your rain today. Initial wave comes up as we went through this morning. Look at that spiral. Look at that counterclockwise turning there. That's your upper level low, and that's going to be passing right overhead today. And as we do so, there is your surface low at 7 o'clock, straddling about London, Lexington. So right there on I-75 by 9 o'clock, working its way into eastern Kentucky, continuing to push eastward with time. By the time we get you into tomorrow morning, the very back edge of the rain should be in eastern Kentucky. Getting out of here quickly. We'll see increasing sunshine as high pressure builds in from the south. Now our complicating factor this weekend, it's that front right there. It's what we call a backdoor front working off that clipper. And as it does so, it may try and sneak in from the north. As it does so on Sunday, say north I-64, we may be stuck in the 40s for a good chunk of the day. Most of the area south of I-64, though, well into the 50s. In fact, that's what we show on our forecast, mid-50s for Sunday, near 60 on Monday. Oh, there's a change. But let's enjoy the warmth as it builds in as we go through your day tomorrow. Temperatures up around 50. Right now, warm in the east, where temperatures are running in the mid-50s. A little chillier as we look to the north and west, including the 46 in Lexington. And again, it's raining at the moment, that northeast wind at 8. Now, we have been running on cycles, and they've been averaging around 6 weeks, give or take a little bit. We can take it all the way back to the end of last year, 2017, and how we shifted back and forth with very little in between. It's how the jet stream evolves. We've been in this warm pattern now since the middle of December. Well, as we get now looking toward the latter part of the week and into next week, perhaps a little more of the cold stuff is in store for us. For tonight, the rain tapers off late, mild through the evening. We'll be in the upper 30s for the overnight low. Close to 50 tomorrow. Whatever rains around gets out of here in a hurry. Sunshine will be returning, so not a bad afternoon at all. Sunday looks terrific. Rain chance comes in as we go through Monday afternoon. It'll be a windy day. Oh, look at Wednesday, Thursday.
Ouch.
A little cold sneaks back in.
Well,
Nothing dramatic.
Yeah.
I'm just impressed.
It's a limited time offer.
Yeah, but maybe the first of, what, 5?
Perhaps.
Or
we'll have to
maybe
wait
not.
and see, yeah.
That's beyond.
I'm impressed you know Eddie Rabbitt.
Of course.
All right.
My
You're a
goodness,
good
yes.
man.